So today I received these 15 nail brushes, and I did get this in exchange for this review. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. So here they are out of the package. You do get 15. You get 3 of each color: yellow, pink, clear, purple, and blue. So the brush itself, the bristles, not soft but not too rough. I think just the right amount to be able to clean those nails off. And not only could they be used for nails, they could serve some other purposes. You could use them to clean vegetables or shoes, because you do get 15, so plenty to go around. On each brush, if you'll notice, they have a hole here. That way you can hang them and save space. Each one of those have that. So overall, I'm happy to have these, and I hope this information was helpful. You'll have a great day.